Alright, so this is a really good one here. Watch my replay. I'll speed it up a little bit. That's still pretty good. So this is not the usual side. This is pretty easy to do. But I'll do that trick where Private Bullet, he rushes to the next available building to shock, and you gotta press it just like, because it takes him a while to charge up. It takes him about a second or two to charge up, so just before everyone starts finishing off that last engine room, so here, you'll see when I press it, it'll be 2 seconds before. Right, and then he went through all those mines. I don't think I would have made it, maybe with a couple of Zookas, not sure. Interesting how it worked out for the other player. So if we go, and I made it to level 13, which is pretty good. So this is them. He split his attack against me on 2. That's an interesting way of doing it. It's a little bit quicker that way, but he's not targeting the right things. So you should have gotten the machine guns at least. Now he's on the right track. Those barrages, when they're at the second last upgrade, 3 or 4 of them or 5 of them will destroy an engine room, and that's what you want. You can do that from the start, or if you've got no troops and you just got one more engine room before you collect a reward, then you can just barrage a engine room and get it that way. At least get one. So you saw that the last bit there. His Zookas die. So he didn't get anything. There was a couple of bombs here, and they got him. Alright, thanks.